Hey everyone, have you ever stopped to think that in some of the world's highest and most remote places, people are still living without basic, reliable electricity? I mean, forget electric heating, sometimes even turning on a light or charging a phone is a daily struggle. Today, I'm showing you a solution that's truly life-changing for these communities. A complete off-grid energy storage power system. This isn't theory, this is real, and it's powerful. We're talking about a 100 kilowatt, 1 kilowatt hour outdoor battery cluster, paired with a smart hybrid inverter. Together, they deliver a stable, reliable power source that's absolutely perfect for places with zero grid access. This project is located in a tough, high-altitude region. Think freezing temperatures, harsh weather, and absolutely no possibility of extending the main grid. For years, people there relied on coal or firewood for heating dirty, unstable, and far from ideal. But to switch to clean electric heating, you need steady power. And that's exactly what they didn't have. Now, with this system in place, everything changes. During the day, the solar panels generate electricity, powering the loads and charging the battery. At night, the battery automatically takes over, guaranteeing 24/7 uninterrupted power. No manual switching, it's fully automated and genuinely smart. The benefits are huge. This is true off-grid power, providing complete energy independence. It gives these communities reliable electricity for the first time, allowing them to safely use essential equipment, including electric heaters. The result? Less coal consumption, a cleaner environment, and a major improvement in daily life and local productivity. This isn't just easier access to electricity, it's a complete upgrade to how people live. This project is a powerful real-world example of how off-grid energy storage is transforming remote communities. If you're interested in energy storage, real off-grid solutions, or renewable technologies that truly change lives, make sure you subscribe. More projects and insights are coming soon.